To introduce you to my dog, no, wait a minute, a Dutch Shepherd named Ambo. Here he is right here. Sit. Yeah. He learned numbers 1 through 7, 0 through 7 actually. Yes, because he has 4 toes. So I figured he'd come up with Octal. And so we've taught him the numbers 0 through 7. But he can add too. That's the neat part. You gonna do it for me? Okay. Go get your dumbbell and bring it to me. We use this dumbbell as our summary register in a doggy computer. Sit. Right? We're gonna count things. I'm gonna have my dog count for you. A little arithmetic. Ambo, come. Sit. This is his dumbbell. Empty for the moment, but it's going to be our summation tool. Yes. First number. How many have I got? 2. Okay. I'll put 2 in your dumbbell. 1 goes in this end. The other goes in the middle. How many have I got? 1. Very good. I'll put that in here. How many do I have? Very good. 2 plus 1 is 3. There you go. Your prize. Thank you. How many? 1. All right. Put it in your dumbbell. Like so. Now how many have I got? 1. Put it in your dumbbell. Like so. Get the stick in there against the walls. Bear with me, bear. Okay. How many are in here? How many? Thank you. There you go. That's my dog. Ambo the Wonder Dog, my Dutch Shepherd. Ambo, get your dumbbell and give it to me. He's going to perform for you here. He's got his dumbbell. Sit. We're going to do some counting. You ready? How many is that? No, how many is that? 2, yes. I'll put 2 in the dumbbell. 1 goes in the bottom, 2 goes in the top. Now how many do I have? 3, very good. 1, 2, and 3. Here's the dumbbell. Alright, tell me how many. No, wait a minute. How many are here? 2 plus 3 is 5. Very good. They're yours. Thank you.